Are Nutriplus Gummies the real deal or just another wellness fad disguised as a fruity treat? With bold claims like boosting immunity, supporting daily energy, and even enhancing women's wellness through botanicals like donkey and chasteberry, they've certainly created a buzz. Add to that their 100% vegan, gluten-free formula with no artificial sweeteners. And on the surface, they seem like the perfect choice for health-conscious consumers. The clean ingredient list and commitment to avoiding common allergens definitely give them an edge, especially in a market where many supplements are loaded with fillers and artificial junk. That level of transparency is rare and refreshing. But while everything sounds impressive on the label, the real question is, do they actually deliver results? That's where things get murky. Despite the strong branding and promises, there's a noticeable lack of real detailed user reviews online. Without consistent feedback from people who've used them over time, it's tough to measure their actual effectiveness or long-term benefits. It doesn't mean they're a scam, but it does raise questions about whether the hype is just marketing or backed by real experiences. If you're someone who loves trying clean, plant-based supplements and doesn't mind taking a chance on newer products, Nutriplus Gummies might be a good experiment. But if you prefer waiting for solid testimonials and proven outcomes, you may want to hit pause until more users share their results. Overall, this isn't a glowing endorsement or a harsh takedown, just a fair, balanced look at a product that could go either way depending on how it performs in the real world.